you're in Cortina, folks. We're here. PC from Cortina City video update. Nicely checked into that Hotel Cortina, but Audi have bought the high street. I think things got a bit bad in the recession in Italy, and Cortina went and sold its high street, as you do, to Audi of all people. So pan around and look what we're doing. This is Audi Square, strictly Audis only. So all cars in the village have to be Audi, otherwise you're not allowed in. So what do? We park in Audi Square and wait for the fireworks to go off. We've lit the blue touch paper now. We're just waiting for the fireworks, waiting for the first jobs body to say. But all the people of Cortina want to see the Cortinas, and they're scattered all over town with no one allowed to come and show them down the main highway that we normally would. It's the normal procedure is to go down the parade, to share the cars with the people. Some of them remember them from the launch date in '62. But what have they done? They've taken over, Audi have taken over, and we need to rebel. So this is my guerrilla anti-Audi protest. No to Audi! No to Audi! I got a good one for you. The gate's gone down, folks, and I'm locked in. Pete sees great Audi pincer move. Audi have taken over the town, but Cortinas are fighting back. We are fighting back, folks. The original heritage, 1962, Ford Cortina launch. Audi try and take over, but I propose a partnership. I propose working with these people. Work with them. Work with them rather than against them.